Last summer, a sudden thunderstorm turned my peaceful RV trip into a nightmare. Water dripped directly onto my bed because of a cracked, degraded roof coating I had just applied months prior. Navigating the sea of sealants, silicones, and acrylics is overwhelming, and picking the wrong one means costly water damage and ruined vacations. To save you the headache, I put the top RV roof coatings through the ringer. Stick around because the number one spot completely changed how I protect my rig. 7. RV Roof Magic. When I first had my hands on this one, I was genuinely intrigued by the promises of a solvent-based butyl rubber coating that supposedly required only a single coat. The application process started out fairly straightforward, and the consistency was thick enough to make me feel like I was laying down a solid, heavy-duty barrier of protection. It adhered reasonably well to my aging EPDM roof after a thorough cleaning and prep phase, and the initial bright white finish was quite impressive, reflecting a good amount of the midday sun and instantly improving the exterior aesthetic. However, the honeymoon phase with this coating didn't last nearly as long as I'd hoped it would. During the application process, the solvent fumes were incredibly overpowering, forcing me to take multiple long breaks despite being outdoors in a gentle, rolling breeze. You absolutely need heavy-duty protective gear and respiratory protection to work with this stuff safely and comfortably, which adds an annoying and tedious layer of complexity to what should ideally be a standard, enjoyable weekend DIY job. Once it finally cured, the real issues began to surface across the roof. I noticed that the coating remained surprisingly tacky for much longer than the manufacturer suggested, acting like a giant, sticky magnet for falling leaves, road dust, and pine needles. Within just a few weeks of camping under tree canopies, my pristine white roof looked like a dirty, textured mess that was incredibly stubborn to wash off, even with a high-pressure hose and heavy scrubbing. Furthermore, while it did manage to stop the initial minor water leaks, I found that the overall flexibility just wasn't where it needed to be for a large RV that sees constant, heavy road vibration. 6. Marlin Coatings 100% Silicone Roof Sealant. Silicone has always been a major buzzword in the RV maintenance world, so I was eager to see how this bucket performed on a notoriously leaky and weathered section of a friend's Class C motorhome. Right off the bat, the self-leveling nature of this silicone was visually pleasing, pooling nicely around roof vents, AC units, and skylights to create a seemingly impenetrable rubbery seal. It goes on incredibly smooth with a standard roller, and the bright white finish provides immediate satisfaction by dramatically cooling the interior of the rig on scorching summer afternoons. But as I spent more time living with and monitoring the results, the practical frustrations started to rapidly mount. The first major hurdle is the well-known fact that silicone simply does not play nicely with anything else on the market. If you make a mistake during application, or if you ever need to patch a vulnerable section later down the road, absolutely nothing else will stick to this roof. Not even fresh repair tape, standard acrylic caulks, or butyl patches. You are essentially married to this specific product ecosystem forever, which severely limits your emergency roadside repair options while out in the remote wilderness. Another significant drawback I experienced during testing was its alarming lack of resistance to pooling water over an extended period. While it repelled water brilliantly during the first few heavy rainstorms, a slight dip in the roof where rainwater naturally tended to sit eventually caused the coating to slowly lose its grip. The silicone began to peel up at the delicate edges of the puddle zone, trapping hidden moisture underneath rather than repelling it, which is the exact opposite of what you want a premium roof coating to do. 5. Ziollo RV Roof Sealant. One of the primary things I immediately appreciated about Ziollo is its 100% pure silicone, high solids chemical formula. Unlike cheaper, budget-friendly alternatives that often seem watered down and thin, this coating felt incredibly robust right out of the bucket. I applied it to a badly chalking fiberglass roof, and the overall surface coverage was remarkably dense and satisfying. It rolled on with a beautiful thickness, effortlessly bridging tiny hairline fractures and giving the entire aging roof a seamless, factory-fresh appearance. What really stood out to me during my extensive time testing Ziollo was its absolutely exceptional UV stability and weather resistance. I deliberately parked the test rig in the unforgiving Arizona sun for an entire month, fully expecting the intense, baking rays to degrade, crack, or yellow the newly applied finish. To my genuine surprise, it remained a blindingly bright white, effectively bouncing the intense heat away and noticeably reducing the mechanical strain on the RV's roof-mounted air conditioning unit. The temperature difference inside the main cabin was something I could literally feel the moment I stepped through the entry door. Additionally, Ziollo offers fantastic, highly reliable ponding water resistance. I intentionally created a slight dam near the rear of the test roof to evaluate its holding capabilities during a simulated heavy downpour. After the standing water cleared, the remaining puddles sat there for days, but the Ziollo coating never blistered, peeled, or lost a fraction of its structural adhesion. It formed an absolute waterproof membrane that gave me total peace of mind, knowing that even on a heavily unleveled dirt campsite, my roof was fully and continuously protected. 4. HENG'S 42,128-4 rubber roof coating. When I set out to test this specific product, I wanted to see if an old-school, universally trusted name could genuinely hold its own against the newer, high-tech silicones flooding the market. I used it on a heavily weathered 10-year-old rubber roof that had definitely seen better days. The very first thing I noticed was how incredibly forgiving and simple the entire application process was. It doesn't require a master's degree in chemical engineering to mix or apply. It rolls on just like a thick, high-quality exterior house paint, making a perfect, stress-free weekend project for any casual DIYer. One of the absolute biggest advantages of HENG'S is how remarkably well it plays with existing EPDM rubber roof substrates. It bonded aggressively and securely to the base material without needing an aggressive, harsh solvent wipe down beforehand. As it slowly dried and cured in the afternoon sun, it essentially became one cohesive unit with the original rubber, creating a revitalized, flexible membrane that felt exactly like a brand new roof straight from the manufacturer. It didn't just sit heavily on top of the old material. It genuinely felt like it deeply restored and nourished the underlying structure. I also put this coating through a severe, real-world temperature fluctuation test to push its limits. Traveling from the humid, sweltering heat of the southern coast straight up into the freezing, high-altitude air of the Rocky Mountains is an absolute nightmare for rigid roof seals. HENG'S expanded and contracted beautifully in tandem with the dramatic, rapid shifts in weather. I carefully scoured the entire roof for any tiny signs of cracking, splitting, or pulling away from the plumbing vents, and it held absolutely steadfast. The elasticity of this rubber blend is simply top-notch. 3. Rexoseal RXRV 08 KT RV Roof Coating Restoration Kit. This isn't just a simple bucket of liquid goop. It is a comprehensive, meticulously designed system, and testing it completely changed my fundamental perspective on structural roof reinforcement. I tackled a large motorhome roof that had some serious structural aging, particularly around the front cap, seams, and massive skylights. The kit explicitly includes their specialized embedded fabric, and while it definitely adds an extra, time-consuming step to the process, rolling the base coat, laying the fabric, and painting over it creates an incredibly robust, multi-layered defense system. The physical durability of this completed system is simply off the charts. Once the Rexoseal system fully cured over a few dry days, it felt significantly less like a painted-on cosmetic coating and much more like I had installed a custom-fitted, armored shell over the entire upper half of the RV. I walked all over it carrying heavy AC replacement parts and a toolbox, and the bright white surface didn't scuff, indent, or give way at all. It is incredibly tough, offering a level of shear puncture resistance that a standard, thin liquid roll-on simply cannot mathematically match. If you frequent wooded areas with unpredictable falling branches, this is your best friend. I was equally blown away by its staggering environmental resilience. Rexoseal boldly boasts extreme waterproofing capabilities, and it absolutely delivers on every single promise. We actively drove through a torrential, multi-day coastal storm with aggressive, sideways rain that normally finds its sneaky way into every microscopic gap. The interior of the test rig remained completely bone-dry from front to back. The dense membrane formed by the precise fabric and liquid coating integration ensures that even if the RV chassis twists violently navigating a massive pothole, the roof seal will not shear or break apart. 2. Tropi-Cool 887. This 100% silicone white roof coating is legendary in the commercial roofing industry, and I was absolutely desperate to see how it translated to the dynamic, mobile world of recreational vehicles. The exact moment I pried open the heavy bucket, I knew this was a premium, zero-compromise chemical formulation. I carefully applied it to a vintage aluminum Airstream roof, and the application process was incredibly luxurious. It has a heavy, rich viscosity that self-levels beautifully, instantly hiding minor surface dents and metallic imperfections while laying down a completely seamless, blindingly white blanket of silicone. The thermal performance of Tropi-Cool is, without a hint of exaggeration, totally mind-blowing. I purposefully tested this unit during a brutal, relentless heat wave where ambient temperatures hit well over 100 degrees for a week straight. Before the coating application, the bare metal roof was dangerously hot enough to literally fry an egg, radiating miserable, oppressive heat straight down into the main living cabin. After the Tropi-Cool fully cured, the roof was incredibly cool to the human touch. It reflects so much intense solar energy that my overworked air conditioner actually cycled off during the absolute peak heat of the afternoon, something it had never managed to do before. Its waterproofing capability is equally stellar, particularly when it comes to the dreaded issue of standing water. A lot of basic coatings claim to handle minor ponding, but Tropi-Cool actively thrives in it. I closely monitored a low-slung, sagging section of the roof where morning dew and heavy rain constantly pooled. Several weeks went by, and the Tropi-Cool barrier didn't chalk, bubble, or lose even a microscopic fraction of its intense adhesion. 1. Liquid Rubber RV Roof Sealant. After extensively testing countless products over the years, this is the exact one I permanently rely on for my own personal, full-time rig, and for incredibly good reason. Applying liquid rubber is a deeply satisfying and remarkably stress-free experience. It is fully water-based, which critically means there are absolutely no noxious fumes, no dizzying headaches, and the final cleanup only requires basic soap and warm water. It rolls on incredibly smoothly, effortlessly getting into every tiny, microscopic pore and crevice of the roof, and the overall coverage rate is incredibly generous, making it highly cost-effective for massive Class A motorhomes. The structural flexibility of this product is undeniably its ultimate, unbeatable superpower. An RV is essentially a massive, rolling earthquake, aggressively twisting and violently bouncing down the highway at 70 miles per hour. Liquid rubber cures into a highly elastic, premium rubberized membrane that stretches an astonishing amount without losing its core integrity. I've accidentally hit massive, hidden highway potholes that violently rattled my teeth, fully expecting the delicate roof seems to instantly crack under the immense strain. Yet, the liquid rubber simply stretched and flawlessly recovered alongside the intense chassis movement, maintaining a flawless, watertight seal without a single microscopic hairline fracture. I also have to strongly praise its unparalleled long-term durability against the harshest elements imaginable. I have personally had this exact coating on my rig for several years now, actively subjecting it to the blistering, relentless sun of the deep desert, the freezing, icy snow of northern winters, and the relentless, corrosive salt spray of the coastal highways. It hasn't degraded, flaked, or required a massive, expensive recoat. It remains incredibly tough, highly protective, and massively UV resistant, entirely preventing the underlying sensitive roof materials from breaking down or structurally deteriorating over time. Ultra. That's all for today.